How to post long picture on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to go to any one of the photo editor application. Before that, I'm simply going to my camera and clicking a black image. This is for the background. Then I'll go to CapCut. After that, simply click on photo editor at the top and click the black image which we just took. After that, scroll to the right in the bottom menu and choose the option of add photo. Once you do, simply select the picture which you want to upload on Instagram and select its proportion in the background. Then click on cutout option in the bottom menu. Here simply select the whole picture part which you want to include in front of the background and upload it on Instagram. Once the part of picture has been chosen, simply adjust its size and then you can also zoom it in the background. Once done with the adjustment, simply click on export. Now open Instagram. Log in with your account details and click on plus icon to post the picture. Simply select the picture which we just edited, go to next, and as you can see, now you can simply post a long picture in this way. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.